Children, we are doing our lesson I want, and in this lesson you have to write few sentences on your favorite bird or animal. So today you will learn about peacock, our national bird. The peacock is the national bird of India. Peacock is the male bird while peahen is the female, and together they are known as peafowl. Okay? Peacock birds prefer to reside in farmlands, forests and warm regions. You can find peacocks in India, Sri Lanka and Burma. Children, here is a map of India and these countries are our neighboring countries, पड़ोसी देश. ठीक है, आप यहाँ पे देख पा रहे हो, it is the map of India. यहाँ पे ये श्रीलंका है, ठीक है, ये म्यांमार है. म्यांमार इज़ द न्यू नेम ऑफ बर्मा. हम म्यांमार देश को पहले क्या बोलते थे? बर्मा. ठीक है, यहाँ पे बांग्लादेश है, ये भूटान, चाइना, नेपाल एंड पाकिस्तान. सो दीज आर आवर नेबरिंग, पड़ोसी, नेबरिंग कंट्रीज़. ठीक है, तो जो पीकॉक होते हैं वो श्रीलंका में, यानी कि यहाँ पे श्रीलंका में, बर्मा में, म्यांमार में और इंडिया में पाए जाते हैं. ठीक है. Peacocks are omnivorous birds. All of you know about omnivores? Yes, they eat meat as well as plants, and they mainly eat plants, fruits, seeds, flower petals, ants, ticks. Now you will ask me, tick क्या होता है ना? Tick is related to spider and insects. Locust is just like grasshopper. Okay. In the gardens and forests, grains are the most common food of peacocks. Peacocks also eat small reptiles such as young cobra snakes, butterflies, chickens, flies and mice. Its weight and length. Male peacock weighs around 4 to 6 kilograms while female weighs about 3 kg to 4 kg. The length of peacock is about 6 to 7 feet. Okay? 1 foot यानी कि एक स्केल, और जब 2 स्केल होते हैं तो हम फुट नहीं बोल के क्या बोलेंगे? फीट. तो इस तरह से 7 बड़ा वाला स्केल अगर हम 7 टाइम्स रखें तो 7 feet. While the peahens are about 3 to 3.5 feet long. Now the head of the peacock creating its beautiful crown-like appearance. ठीक है? Peacock's head neck has blue appearance. कैसा दिखता है? Blue. Eyes and beak. There are white blotches above and below the eyes of a peacock. Usually the beak of a peacock is an inch in length. और इंच किस तरफ होता है स्केल में? जिस तरफ ज़्यादा गैप के बाद नंबर्स लिखे गए हैं, दोज आर इंचेस. ओके, और जो पास लिखे गए हैं डिजिट, दोज आर सेंटीमीटर्स. Male peacock exhibits impressive greenish feathers. The color of the peacock's tail varies every time you look them from a different angle. जब भी आप उसको दूसरे एंगल से देखोगे, दूसरी पोजीशन पे जाके देखोगे, आपको उसके अलग feathers नज़र आएंगे. Peahens are less impressive than peacock. Can peacocks fly? Yes, they can fly to limited distance as they are fleshy birds. ठीक है, ज़्यादा नहीं उड़ पाते लेकिन उड़ लेते हैं. They can cover short stretches by flying just like large birds fly. However, they prefer to stay on the ground for most of the time. Snake chasers. Peacocks are the best fighter when it comes to fighting with snakes. They can not only prey on young snakes, including the poisonous ones, but they also do not let snakes enter their territories. ठीक है? They eat snakes also, children. Behavior of peacocks. Peacocks are social birds and they like to interact with humans. You can also find wild peacocks playing games. They love to play under the sunlight. Usually, these birds travel in groups of 8 to 10. Peacocks feature a strange behavior. They create their nests on the ground and perch on the treetops. Okay, this is their strange behavior. How does a peacock sound? Peacock's call is not a pleasant experience. Peacocks are one of the loudest creatures and make screeching sounds. Usually the frequency of their calls increases during the monsoon. During the rainy season, these birds make a mewing sound indicating that it is going to rain. Now your assignment, fill in the blanks. Peacock is the dash bird of India. It dances in the dash. It has dash feathers. It can fly to a limited. The female of peacock is called. They can dash with snakes. Dash cannot enter in their territory. Peacocks are omnivorous. Peacock has a crest on its. Peacock's head and neck has dash appearance. Okay. Now these sentences you will write. ये दोनों सेंटेंस, ये जो आपको असाइनमेंट दिया गया है लास्ट की 2 स्लाइड्स में, दिस यू हैव टू राइट इन योर नोटबुक्स. सभी बच्चों ने ये इंग्लिश की कॉपी में काम करना है. एंड 5 sentences मिनिमम. चिल्ड्रन यू कैन लर्न 10 sentences ऑल्सो, बट जो बाकी बच्चे हैं जो थोड़े से, वो 5 sentences तो ज़रूर याद करेंगे. ओके, थैंक यू.